Well, it's a very sad afternoon for Aussie Adventures. Tell them what happened, Margs.
Well, Paul was having a ball flying the drone over this beach where we've just pulled up, and a bit too much full noise and into the top of the van.
Oh dear. Yeah, had her on sports mode. Lee in Albany, you were right, mate. You bang them on sports mode and you crash them. You were right. I come flying up the beach here straight across the ocean, and I had the camera on, so you're going to see it come flying straight into the corner of the caravan there. That's about what we've done to the caravan, hardly anything, but have a go at this. All the blades are damaged, the whole arm's broken off. Yeah, there's quite a bit of repairs needing there. The gimbal springs are hanging out, and yeah, old Dr. Trout's gonna have to put his mind to work to fix this. I'm 3 hours away from Perth, and Perth is where DJI headquarters is. I've got no chance of fixing it. It's time for a new drone. It is what it is. We stuff this one, we'll buy another one. Rest in peace, Mr. Drone. Yeah, well, I don't know whether to laugh or cry. Just crashed the drone. Yes, you're right, you heard me right, I've crashed the drone. One arm's completely broken off it. I think the gimbal camera operation, I might be able to fix that, but the arm's completely snapped, and I'm a long way away from a shop that can fix that drone. So unless I can fix it, the drone action's over for probably a couple of months, but it is what it is. You live and learn, and shit happens. So, you know, now we're going to try and catch some fish for dinner. Positive thinking equals happiness, if you ask me. What's that, Mark?
I said, I hope it's not rain over there.
Bloody me too. Well, Margs and I are having a romantic night on the beach. We've got the rods in, stubbies are out, and never done this fire on the beach thing before, but we're making it happen. Aren't we, love?
We are.
Hey?
Looks like it's going to take. Good old CC.
Whoa. One trusty firelighter, she's a goer. The old trusty CCs.
Yeah, just check the line.
Yes, I know, that's the caravan that I bloody crashed into. Such is life, Ned said. It's like Marg's just catching up with a bit of Aussie Adventures. Enjoying it, love? How's it going there?
It's good.
You're liking it?
Get a drone.